Okay, so it is 8 p.m. In GMT plus 8 time zone. So let's start our community call for LazyBear. So this is the first time for the LazyBear community call for this month. We will expect that from this month going on, we will continuously have many online catch up with everyone, either via Twitter Space or primarily it will be having going on in the Discord. So yeah, that's the background. So please let us introduce ourselves. So we are LazyBear. We are the LazyBear team. So I'm Richard. I'm leading the commercial side and also is one of the trader under LazyBear team. So LazyBear is a trading community, a retail trading community. So we have been in this industry. Our core founding team has been in this industry for very, very long. Um, we can say it has been like more than 10 years. And we have been we have been in crypto trading as well for 10 years plus too. But we're still retail traders. So we are definitely not the institutional clients or anything, but we are still like we are not whales. We are just retail traders. So we are LazyBear. And if you are aware that there's also another like website called Ox.fun. So currently we have named ourselves as LazyBear.fun. So we are doing absolutely totally different stuffs, right? LazyBear is like we are having these names originated from one of the training views elite legendary trader called LazyBear. But this person we don't really know who he is. He has already retired, I would suppose, but it is a legend. It is a legend. So we have this name LazyBear, still having it for our branding. So we are having this idea that we also want to be in the very, very similar style of this LazyBear person that we are representing the mass majority of the retail traders in this ecosystem. So right now we are trying to build, essentially we are trying to build a revolutionary retail trading community and ecosystem. So that's what LazyBear is doing right now. From this month, actually, we are previously we have been starting our ventures since January this year, and it has been going on some time. And for LazyBear, our project, we were having a very big ambition and building a very big venture. But right now we are having a new edge, and based on our perception and on our community perception about the market in the future, and also our competitive edge. So right now we are focusing on the most competitive field of ourselves, of our team, which is we want to deeply focus on retail trading, specifically on the trading side, and also we want to build a deeply root down to the community. So this would be our current focus. So right now we are having a very light team to focus on this scenario, and we are currently backed by many investors. So we are not like having everything from scratch, but we already have many well-known investors in the industry. So partially we have posted some announcements, so you can check on the internet on our website. So yeah, that's basically LazyBear, what LazyBear is doing. So we are currently a retail trading community, which is led by very OG crypto traders, experienced traders, 10 years plus crypto traders, and trying to build up the larger community to attract more retail traders like us build up this community. And we are backed by investors. So yeah, this is the introduction of ourselves. So secondly, please let me sing out with you guys about what we will be focusing on from this month and to next month. So if you are jumping in the Discord, you can check on because we are having it on Discord. So I would do the screen sharing about the Windows. So yeah, this is our website. So we make some updates about our official website. So right now our official link is called LazyBear.fun. We have this website. We have two versions of this website. One is in the Chinese version, and the other one is English version. So right now, it is showing English version. So anyone, feel free to jump on your preference to check out the website. So this new website basically sums up what we are focusing on right now. So LazyBear, so I have discussed before. So LazyBear, about us, what is our differentiation? So basically, we want to become one of the industry leading and well-known retail trading community. And because we are led by some of the very top talent traders and also very experienced traders. So this is what differentiates ourselves from most of the others. So if we can if you can be long-term very successful in profit generating and very stable generate, this is our edge. So firstly, we can deliver the profitable trading signals, trading strategy to our communities because we are led by others. So we are not only doing it, that would be very simple, not only doing it by ourselves, but we want to do it, share it for the mass majority, for our community, for our project supporters. So this is first of all, this is our edge. And secondly, because we want to build a larger community, so our expectation is to build up like many members of the community to join in our platform, our Discord, our social media. So we want to be very limited, the industry very limited knowledge sharing community that we would like to share some of the very insightful, very professional knowledge, opinions, trading opinions, which you probably can't really find, or you may need to pay for it for someone else, or other people don't want to share. But we are totally open for that. So we want to to bring our knowledge to the community, and we want to build it further to turn it into a knowledge sharing community, knowledge sharing platform. So this is our second edge. And thirdly, we were doing something in the past that we are creating some IPs, some main IPs based on our expectation about our traders, some of the characters that we really know, or basically it's like us. So we have built up some main IPs, and somehow right now Ming is sort of quite hot. So it is also a possible in the future that we can focus on that, keep on doing a lot of creation of the LazyBear IPs, and then our ideas would be probably we can create a lot of stories. So anyone, if anyone have the interest to want to build any characters, if you like to, then you can share it with us, and we can create those IPs. That is the character, LazyBear character. We can build it up all from scratch, and based on your thought, based on your stories, and then that would be a series of IPs. So probably we will have a family, LazyBear family, with a lot of IPs, like 10 plus IPs. So that would be a lot of things that we can do in the future. So this would be the third one. Yeah. So our sections. So please let me further introduce. One is the Trader Alliance. What is Traders Alliance? That basically means that what we currently have, because we are founded by the traders, senior traders. So we, as an aggregation, we are an alliance, a trader alliance. So different traders have different styles. Different traders can earn profit by themselves, but each one is individual. So we are aggregating everyone, the senior traders, into a group, and we call it as Traders Alliance. And this is not only limited to the current stage, but we want to further build up to a next level. That is to have a much larger base of the Trading Alliance, to have much more members to join that would be senior traders. So think about it in this way. So our expectation in the long term is that think about a basketball team. Um, playing the basketball requires like five full-time members on five real players, and then a lot of other supporting players. So that's okay to for them to try to compete in the league in the NBA league, right? And then under the NBA league, everyone want to be the number one or having some score at least top 10, top 5, top 10. So in the traders world, in crypto traders world, it hasn't still yet to see such a thing. So we are thinking about it in this way. So we are firstly we are aggregating these traders as an alliance. So as an alliance, we have like star team members, star traders, and we also want to look for more traders to be supporting our activities. And if we have this alliance, we can compete in the crypto trading world. So how do we compete? So let's say we are like a team, a basketball team. Okay, we our brand is LazyBear, so we are a LazyBear team. So how do we compete in the crypto trading world? So we can win scores. So we can have the ranking by trading in different venues, right? We not only would can we not only need to trade by ourselves, so we can do that, but we can trade cross-platform. For example, we can trade on Binance, OKX, Bybit, etc. And currently, they have some of the score ranking system that everyone can win scores on that. So it's sort of like, for example, a very simple idea, copy trading section. So we can bring along some of our trading skills and then try to win some scores on that. So gradually, if we can be long-term successful, then we will have many quote lazy bear traders on the ranking of Binance or OKS. So that would basically show us a conclusion that yeah, we win the scores in the crypto trading field, and this will also help us to build our influence in the industry. We don't really think that right now any people or any traders are thinking about this in this way or want to do that. So this is what we are trying to work on about this traders alliance. And secondly, is the our community. So we would like to turn it into a knowledge sharing community. So firstly, we utilize our senior trader skill set to send our knowledge to the community to share it for free, basically for free. And as the community gets larger and larger, we want to attract more traders, right, retail traders, to join us with a similar interest. So I would strongly believe that for a good trader, successful traders, he he doesn't really want to hide anything because okay because he's at some levels he has nothing to hide or because okay in the end everything is so simple that he can share with everyone because that's remain the execution and risk control. So so many people are unable to reach to that level because of lack of execution and risk control, which is why as a traders group, helping each other is very important to help out to guide them to have the right way to focus on what is really needed for the success of trading. So this is a community that we would like to build up. And furthermore, because we want to build the traders alliance, traders league, so we also want to seed for some very high potential new traders within the community. And then if he has the interest, we are very welcoming him to join in our traders alliance and become one of our core members. Also, not only sharing, but also he can trade very successfully by himself. So this is the community. And lastly, this is our business sections that we will continuously making up some of the Elizabeth IPs. So right now we have two IPs. One is this is called Barden. It is a legendary. We define himself as a legendary geek traders and also a fat traders. but he's so successful that he currently he's only able to trade in Bitcoin and Ethereum. He doesn't know anything about Bitcoin. But he's so successful. He doesn't really need to sleep. So this is Barton, and he has a sister called Barbara. So he always show up in McDonald's and hanging out with his potential boyfriends, and also in crypto world, trying to check herself, but not really successful. But yeah, he still wanna hang out with a lot of different people. So this is Barbara. Uh, Currently, we have two characters, and we will be crafting new IPs continuously. And this part, we want to make it a series of stories. So please look forward, stay tuned about our updates. I would strongly believe that it will be very, very interesting. We have a lot of things that can be done in the future about this section. So yeah, please stay tuned. Yeah, so that's basically some of everything. And another thing about our performance data is that our current traders, alliance trading teams, we are very definitely not financial advisories, but definitely it's very, very strong. So not only showing up that we have a long-term career in the crypto trading, retail trading, but also we have proven very good record about our trading in the past. So let's say since 2019 January till now, we have already achieved like a 65x on some of the trading pairs. So that this is like a 5 years record. So and we have very good, well-managed risk control. So the annualized return would be like 300% per year. So that will be fairly okay, I would say, in the crypto trading, especially this long-term record. Yeah. Okay, that's basically the thing. So if you would like to know more about the details about any of the sections, please stay tuned and click on our website to check for the further details. Yeah. So this is the website part. The next one, our Discord. Sorry. Yeah, I'm still here. So okay, sorry, I don't know how to screen share the Discord part, um, but let me share about what our plan is, because we are for the community building, because we want to focus on the retail trading community. Um, in the past, we have been successful in building out our social media in Twitter and Telegram. Um, but if we want to focus on the retail trading side, on the trader side especially, based on some experience that many hardcore traders, I would say, uh, he would prefer to use Discord to share his knowledge, and also the community are comfortable with having showing their existence and viewing some messages in the Discord world. So we want to try that as well. In the past, we haven't really built up the Discord. We build a Twitter and Telegram. So we would I would say in the current months, in July to August, and also this month, we will be focusing on the Discord building. So please feel free to join another Discord. That we will share everything, like the knowledge sharing. We will share everything in the Discord, and we have a lot of different sections. And more importantly, for the elite traders, we will try to demonstrate the real skill set in the Discord, some of the Discord group. For example, we have created some like 10x challenge, 1K to 10x challenge and post every real trades at the in a very short term. Once we have made the trade, and everything will be live, and people can build a result of the 10x challenge. It will be fun, and also welcome new members who would like to prove themselves and also joining us as well. So yeah, that's basically the Discord thing we will be focused on. Yeah, that's the Discord part. So I would say that's pretty much our updates for LazyBear. And regarding current market, I will also share about some of a bit of the view of the market. So definitely right now I prefer to think that it's definitely not a bear market. And everything is so bullish, except that the altcoin may not show up the strengths yet, but Bitcoin, Ethereum is on the edge of further explosion. That's for sure. Um, very very small likelihood that it will be the opposite part. So we are definitely in a bull market right now. So everything is very positive for every one of us, and also for ourselves, for our project, and also community building, and also retail trading. Right. So let's stay tuned. And if you are the traders, please feel free to join in our community. Although we are building it just at the start, probably. Also currently, I also have 13K members, but it is still at a very early stage. So please join us. If you also have similar interests, we want to build it further. Uh, we want to build a trader community. So we are attracting different region of community members. So for us, we are primarily based in APAC region, in Hong Kong and Singapore. And we also have team members based in Europe. So we want to see if you are like a APAC traders, or if you're like South Asia traders, like from India, Pakistan, or if you're based in European and Dubai, we are very, very welcoming you to joining us. Either you are full-time traders or part-time traders. If you have the time, please stay tuned and joining us. And we will have many regular catch-up sections in the future on Twitter Space, and also in Discord Live. And from this week, we will have at least three regular trader sharing sections in Discord. Will not only be in English, but also in Chinese as well. So you can pick anyone preferable for your language preference. So yeah, that's basically everything of this community call. Yep. Um, okay, I would think that that's pretty much it. So yeah, please stay tuned with our LazyBear's updates. Yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and speak with you in another call. Okay, thank you. See you. Bye bye.